from the Otter Slide. Adele, don't sue me. Love you, babe. Don't sue me. I'm uploading a new video not because anyone sent me any questions in my email. Nobody listens to me, no one loves me. It's okay. Meh. I tried. I'm still gonna try. I am hard-headed. But anyways, I'm doing an unboxing video. I don't know. I'm not sponsored by anyone at all. Just thought it'd be cool and something to fill the void in between the void. I don't know. Just shits and giggles. Anyways, I've been seeing their ads all over Facebook, and I really like. I'm a nerd. I'm a video game nerd. I love Legend of Zelda and other video games, and yeah. So then they have. If you haven't known, it's Gaming Girl Monthly. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can open this without scissors. Nope, I can't. I'm really clumsy. I'm only doing this with one hand. Why am I whispering? It's really creepy. And what else is new? Alright, let's hope that's that and not. And just gave in. Ooh. Ooh. What did I get? The cake is a lie. Yes. Ooh. I got a Lego block necklace, a Resident Evil Umbrella Corporation ring, a Tetris chiffon scarf, and a Dota Dragon Claw earrings. Apparently you get a card and what you get, and Tetris. You haunt me? Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. I want. Apparently you're not coming out. Excuse me, let me do something gross. There we go. Chiffon. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's fabulous. Oh my god, I love it. No judging. Alright, let's see. And their anniversary, apparently. June is their 1-year anniversary. So they did they have a portal cake. I don't know. I don't eat cake. I'm vegan. That's why the cake is a lie. Okay. Ooh, I'm so talented. I can do this with one hand. Again. Okay. So here's the Resident Evil ring, which won't fit me because I'm a size -0. Now, I like the Resident Evil series. I just can't play it. Not that. Okay, scratch that. I can't play any shooter games. Why? I have -0 aim. Like, that's why I like the Legend of Zelda games so much, because they have a lock-on feature. And you can't miss. Well, you can, but you're less likely. For people like me who need a lock-on feature, it's just yes. Okay, it's cheap, but I love it. I'm okay. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, something else fell out. What is this? What's this? Oh, it's a Lego block pin. I don't know. What am I gonna do with a button? I don't know. Start putting it on my hat. I don't have any hats. I don't have any. I guess that's not how this works. That's not how any of this works. Ooh. I like these claw earrings. Oh, they're so cool. Like, oh no! Ooh. I never really played Dota. It just never really appealed to me. I don't know why. I guess I kind of base my preference on the description of things. Like, if it doesn't hook me right away, then I don't know. And plus, so many games have my money. But these look cute. I like them. Probably can't wear them to work, but I wear these at work, so why not? Anyway, ooh, they're so cool. Like, blarg. These are such a pain in the butt to unscrew. No, they really screw on and off. Don't make that dirty. Don't you dare. No. I'm watching you. Anyways, that was my unboxing, and get back there, you little bastard. Alright, alright, I guess you're coming off. I don't know, let's just be a Yentl. Or I'm pretty sure I'm using that wrong. Feel free to yell at me in the comments below, please. Please. Alright. That's my unboxing for today. I know it's short and sweet, and or not, or whatever. Anyways, I liked that. That was cool. I like themed jewelry, especially video game themed jewelry. That's my favorite. So who knows, I might buy past boxes or something. Maybe. It was cool. It was $13 a month, so I think it's pretty worth it for what I got. And, oh, I forgot something. The necklace. Ooh, it's cool. Definitely gonna wear that. It's so cute. It's like a real Lego block. Ever stepped on one of these? You don't know pain. Well, unless you had a kidney stone. It's like up there. Yep. Anyways. Let's see. Anything else? No, nothing. Okay. Sorry. I was doing my outro and I forgot stuff. Welcome to my life. Anyways, if you could like... I could talk, but really, I can't. If you could like, subscribe, or not, or just watch the video and smile a lot. Or send your comments or questions below in the comment section. Or you can send me your questions in my email below. That'd be great. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, my lovelies.